Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today we got new crypto quiz from Revolut and I want to show you how to answer for these questions. So log into your Revolut account, go to section crypto, push button discover, scroll to the bottom to the section learn, and like you see we have a new quiz iExec, so we can push on this. We have 2 lessons. So click on the first lesson, read about this crypto, and we can start quiz. What benefits does iExec bring to Web3? So all of the above. How is the RLC token used on the marketplace? So as the method of exchange on the iExec marketplace and to secure the platform. What are the key offering from iExec to its developers? So all of the above and submit. Nice. Lesson number 1 is done. We earn some cryptocurrency. Next lesson. Read about this. Start the quiz. Why is communicating with Web3 user challenging? Web3 user interact using crypto wallets. Which of iExec developers tool allowed for sending emails to register Ethereum accounts holders without needing to know their email address? So Web3 Mail. How can privacy-enhancing marketing iExec latest developer's product benefit user in the Web3 ecosystem? So it's enable user to monetize receiving emails while preserving their privacy. And submit. Nice, we earned some cryptocurrency. If you don't saw my previous video, go to my YouTube channel, there you see history of all quiz on Revolut. And if you have any question, post this question below of this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.